Oh, I got your question here. You want to determine the sample size for estimating P1 minus P2 here. Physical therapist wants to determine the difference in the portion of men and women who participate regular and sustained physical activity. What sample size should she obtain? She wants within 3 percentage points with a 90% confidence interval, assuming the following. And so I guess down here is the formula. You got a part A and a B here. Part A here is this formula, and part B I guess is a little simpler. It's this formula here. So P hat 1 is going to be the 21.8%. You need to change it to decimal. And that's just a complement of it. And P hat 2 be 19, change that to decimal here. I guess the E, they tell you that's 3 percentage points, so that's going to be 0.03. And you specifically asked how do you find Z sub alpha over 2, and you're told it's a 90% confidence interval, and so that's where you find Z sub alpha 2. I'm just going to use the normal calculator. You could do it by hand with a table, calculator, but this is old stuff here. So you go into stats and you click on stats, and then calculator and normal calculator. You click on between, and since it's Z-score, you use 0 and 1, and we're told it's 90% or 0.9, and so you put in 0.9 and click compute, and you get this number here, and Z sub alpha over 2. That's his critical value here, which is 1.6449, and so that's the number you need that goes in, Z sub alpha over 2 that goes here and here. And then E again, that's the 3%, that's the 0.03, and P1 and P2, are given here in percents. And so this page, I guess this is page 476 in the book. If you're wanting to look up this formula, I'm on page 476. Where it gives you the formula for estimating sample size, and you always round up. They do tell you that you always round up to next integer. Hope this helps.